Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I did these really cute beach inspired nails using the Gel X Dupe method. But before I get into the nail tutorial, I do want to announce the giveaway winner. In my previous video, I did host a giveaway. So this is the giveaway winner, Nail to the Hustle. Congratulations. By the time you are watching this video, I would have already DM'd you on Instagram, so make sure to check your DMs. I just want to thank everyone who entered. I will have another giveaway very soon, so make sure to stay tuned for that. So moving on to the tutorial, I am starting off by pushing back my cuticles. Now I'm using this cuticle diamond ball bit, and I'm just going around the cuticle area to get rid of any dead cuticle and also just to make my cuticles look a little bit neater. This drill bit did come in a set and I got it off of Amazon, and I will definitely have a link down below. Now I'm taking this Macart buffing block and I'm just lightly removing the shine off of my natural nails. Now I'm going to dust off my nails and clean them off with some rubbing alcohol. Now I'm going to apply this peel off base coat onto all of my nails. The reason why I'm doing this is because I want to be able to wear these nails for like a week or so, but be able to still pop them off. I've been watching this nail YouTuber. She does like ASMR nail tutorials, and she always applies a peel off base coat before she applies her nails, and she's able to wear them for like a couple of weeks and then still be able to pop them off without any damage to her natural nails. So that's why I'm doing this. I'm just trying it out, see how it goes. So once I'm done applying that, I will cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds. So these are the full cover nails I'm going to be using for today's video. They are the BT Art Box full cover nails in Long Ballerina, but I like to call them Long Coffin. And I'm going to use the Beetles nail glue gel to adhere them. So I'm just applying some of that gel onto the inside of the full cover nail, and then I start by applying the nail from the cuticle area, and then I just lightly press down, and then I flash cure with my gooseneck lamp, I think that's what you call it, and I flash cure for 10 seconds or around 10 seconds. So once I'm done applying all of the nails, I will fully cure them in the lamp for a full minute. So now moving on to filing, I am taking a 100 grit nail file and I'm just lightly shaping up the nails. Now I'm taking the Pana 5-in-1 drill bit in a fine grit, and I'm just going around the cuticle area just to make that nice and flush to the natural nail. And I'm also like filing off any gel that spilled out while I was applying the nails. Now I'm taking a buffer and I'm just buffing off the shine from the nails. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and dust them off, and I did clean them with some alcohol off camera. Now I'm going to be applying a thin coat of the nail glue gel that I used earlier. This does work as a base coat as well, so that's what I'm going to use it as right now. And once I'm done applying it, I will cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds. Applying a base coat is going to make your nail polish last a lot longer and not chip off or peel off. And it's also going to make your nails a little bit more sturdier. So this is the custom nude color that I mixed for today's video. I used the nail polish gel polish in Nude Panther, the Vanillisa gel polish in Nude Pink, and the Nail Reserve gel polishes in Iced Coffee and Sea Swing and Sun. I'm going to be doing a clear French tip on the middle finger, so I'm taking a liner brush and I'm just outlining my smile line, and then I will fill that in. And I will be doing 2 coats of this color, and I will be curing in between each coat for 30 seconds. And if I do mess up a little bit, I am taking a polygel brush as a cleanup brush and some acetone to clean that up. I actually get that question a lot, and it's just a regular polygel brush that came in a polygel set and just pure acetone. So now I'm going to be using some broken shell pieces that comes in this set, which is available on my Etsy shop. It literally is perfect for any beach inspired nail sets. It literally comes with everything you need. So I'm just picking out some of the colors of the broken shells, and then I will be breaking them into smaller pieces. I'm going to apply them onto the clear French tip. So I'm just taking the nail glue gel from Beetles that I used earlier, and I'm just going to apply them on top of that glue. And once I like how everything is placed, I will cure it in the lamp for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to use the Beetles Builder Gel in clear, and I'm going to be encapsulating the shell flakes pieces, or whatever you guys want to call them. And I am going to apply this onto all of the nail, but I'm going to mainly focus on the shells. And I'm just going to apply it until it's nice and even and everything's covered. And then I will cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds. So once it's out of the lamp, I'm just going to take some alcohol and I'm just going to remove the sticky layer, and then I'm going to go in with my nail file and I'm just going to smooth out the nail since it was pretty bumpy because of all the flakes and stuff. So I'm just going to smooth it out with my nail file, and then I am going to buff it out with my buffer just to get rid of any little scratches that the hand file leaves. So now I'm going to be applying this nude color onto all of the other nails, and I am going to be applying only 1 coat of this onto the pointer finger, the pinky, and the thumb, but on the ring finger I am going to be applying 2 coats, and I do cure in between each coat for 30 seconds. So I'm going to use the Beetles gel polish in Blue Bell for my ombre nails, and I'm just going to be applying this onto a regular makeup wedge sponge. And then I'm going to also be applying the nude color onto the sponge, and I'm going to blend the colors together in the middle. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to start dabbing the sponge onto my nail. And once I'm happy with how my blend looks, I am going to clean off my skin just to get rid of any polish that got on there. And then I'm going to take the Mia Secret clear acrylic and I'm going to pour that on top of the wet gel polish. This is going to get rid of any little air bubbles that the sponge creates, and it's just going to give you a nice smooth ombre. And then I'm going to cure this in the lamp for 30 seconds. And once it's out of the lamp, I'm just going to dust it off, and then I'm going to go in with my second layer. With my second layer, I just go in with the sponge. I do not pour any more acrylic or anything, and I'm going to do this on the thumb and my pointer finger. On the pointer finger, I'm going to be applying this really pretty blue pearlescent gel polish just on the blue part, and then I'm going to blend that upwards with my sponge. On the ring finger, I'm going to be applying some broken shells, and then I will be encapsulating this nail as well. Now I'm taking the Nails by Dev Baddest Black Liner Gel and the Nails by Dev 9mm liner brush, and I'm just going to draw on a little palm tree. It's very easy and you guys can see exactly what I'm doing, so I'm just gonna let you guys watch. Now I'm going to be applying these little metal charms and some white opal rhinestones, and I'm using the Macart rhinestone glue gel, the brush on version, to glue them on. And these rhinestones and charms do come in the set that I mentioned earlier that is available on my Etsy shop, so make sure to check that out. If you guys do purchase anything from there, you guys can use code YouTube or Summer for 10% off your purchase. Now I'm outlining the French tip with the same blue gel polish that I used for the ombre. Now I'm going to top coat the nails with the Not Polished Glossed Top Coat, and I'm just going to apply this onto all of the nails, and I'm going to be applying this onto the bottom side of the clear French tip just to make it more clear. And I'm also going to be applying this on top of the little gold charms that I put on the ring finger. because those will tarnish and I don't want them to tarnish. So make sure to top coat those because they will change colors. And then once I'm done applying the top coat, I am going to cure it in the lamp for 90 seconds. So this is the final result. I think the nails turned out really cute. I really like them. Let me know what you guys think about them down in the comments. Also, don't forget to check out my Etsy shop. I do have a bunch of charms and glitters and stuff available on there. And again, congratulations to the winner. Make sure to check your DMs. I would have already messaged you by the time you're watching this video. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I will talk to you guys in the next one.